Hey there, my name's T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to be showing you a gently used 2016 Bennington 2575 QCW. This one is black with blackout package, tri-tune, ESP with a center 32-inch elliptical tune. This one does have the sport tower on it with Roswell speakers. This one is powered with a Mercury Verado 350, so you got a supercharged 350 on it. Trailer is not included with this boat. There is one available. You got nice forward lounge with portable cup holder, fold down armrest, storage up under all your seats. Same thing with the starboard there. This one does have the in-floor storage. Co-captain's lounge there, storage up under it as well. This particular model is the QCW, which means for the center walk-through. So you got two rear-facing loungers on the aft of the boat here. 52-inch removable ski pylon. Again, that is the 350 Verado Mercury. This boat does only have 22 hours. Come back up, you can see the vinyl is in excellent condition. There's no scratches, nicks, dings, anything on this boat. It is a very good boat. Come up to the helm here. You got the Garmin chart plotter, depth finder, fish finder. You got the Mercury digital gauges, the kicker, KRC 15. This one does have the amp and the sub in it as well. Underwater lighting, exterior lighting, cup holder lighting. Mercury digital DTS on there. Again, this boat only has 22 hours, which is pretty spectacular. And as you see, the upholstery's in excellent condition. There's no nicks, no mold. You got storage up under your console there. Again, in-floor storage. Nice overview of the boat. The sport tower, seagrass flooring. Again, this is a 2016 Bennington 2575 QCW with a Mercury Verado 350 and 22 hours. If you'd like more information, please give us a call at 864-236-9005, located at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Have a great day.